everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a beautiful floral and heart necklace using some beads from the newest Softlex Company design kit, Star Crossed Lovers? And I am using this beautiful velvet ribbon. I'm using Softlex wire in medium and a beautiful pink tourmaline, an opalite heart, this beautiful rose bead that was part of the Jesse James bead mix from the kit, and then, of course, your little ribbon findings for my necklace. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And also down below in the description, I will leave links to the star-crossed lovers tutorial playlist, as well as all other necklace inspiration and the supplies used in this video. Let's start creating. So to start, we're just going to add the little findings to the end of our necklace. We're just going to add the ribbon into our little finding. And then we're just going to take one side of our ribbon finding and just flatten it down. And do the same thing on the other side. And take one side of our little component and give it a squish. And we're going to rotate. And then I just kind of like to make sure that everything is nice and secure. We're going to add in a 6mm jump ring on each side and a clasp of your choice. I am using a lobster claw. Attach our jump ring and the clasp of your choice. Give it a close, and you should hear a little click when it's secure. You won't want to lose your component. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Give that little click. To start, we're just going to add our opalite heart to the head pin. I will be making a loop with my one-step looper and a 1.5mm. We're just going to slide it into the tool and give it a squeeze. And for the looper, the 1.5 is the smallest size. Now we're just going to take our round nose pliers and make sure that our loop is completely closed. We wouldn't want to lose our little charm that we just made. We'll be adding in our beautiful pink tourmaline color. You could also use the garnet color, quartz, or amethyst. We're going to add one 2x2, our beautiful rose, and our heart. We're going to start by just adding on our 2x2 and the opalite. We're going to pass back through our 2x2. We're going to create like a little circle, and it's up to you how big you would like your connection point to be. Then on the longer side of your soft flex wire, we're going to add on our rose. And we're going to loop it back through. And then this little top connection point here is what's going to be our little bail for our pendant. So with the side of soft flex that we just passed through the rose, we're going to pass it back through our 2x2. This can be a little tricky. For a 2x2, you can pass back 3 of the medium soft flex lines. Any adjustments as needed, but that's what it should look like in the back and in the front. So you have your beautiful pink tourmaline wire showing as part of your design. Now we're just going to take our pliers and give it a little squish, and this will flatten our 2x2. We have our extra soft flex wire. We're just going to trim that, making sure not to trim on connection points. We're going to add our ribbon through with our soft flex bail. We have our beautiful ribbon rose and heart necklace using the soft flex wire and beads and ribbon from the Star-Crossed Lover Soft Flex Company design kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for all the products used in today's video, as well as a tutorial playlist. Have an awesome day.